Clipping piglet teeth, also known as needle teeth or wolf teeth, is a common practice in pig farming. Here's why. Reasons for clipping. 1. Preventing injury. Piglets are born with sharp teeth that can cause injury to their littermates, mother, or even themselves. 2. Reducing stress. Clipping teeth helps reduce stress and aggression among piglets, promoting a more peaceful environment. 3. Improving nursing. Clipping teeth can also improve nursing, as piglets with clipped teeth are less likely to bite or scratch their mother's nipples. Clipping process. 1. Timing. Teeth clipping is usually done within the first few days of life, ideally between 1 to 3 days old. 2. Method. A specialized tool called a tooth clipper or needle tooth clipper is used to carefully clip the teeth. 3. Care. It's essential to handle piglets gently and carefully during the clipping process to minimize stress and prevent injury. Important considerations. 1. Hygiene. Ensure the clipping tool is clean and disinfected to prevent infection. 2. Accuracy. Clip only the sharp tips of the teeth, taking care not to cut too short and cause pain or bleeding. 3. Monitoring. Observe piglets after clipping for any signs of stress, pain, or infection. Clipping piglet teeth is a routine practice in pig farming, but it's crucial to follow proper techniques and precautions to ensure the welfare of the animals.